What is up, idols only here? So last time pinakita ko sa inyo yung mga collection ko ng sapatos na pang basketball for the Adidas brand. And ngayon naman papakita ko sa inyo yung mga natitira ko pang Kobe shoes collection. First is the Exodus AD Lakers colorway. Next is Kobe 1 Koto final second. Kobe 4 undefeated X Proto Hyper Jade. Kobe 4 Girl Dad colorway. Kobe 5, Year of Mamba, Eggplant. Another Kobe 5, Year of Mamba, University Red. Kobe 6, Reverse Grinch. Kobe 8, Halo. Kobe 8, College Navy Colorway. Kobe 8, Lakers Home Colorway. Kobe 9, Elite Low Protro Halo. And Kobe 9 EM Prototype TB Royal Game.